Find dy by dx if y is equal to 2 raised to x upon log x. अब यहाँ पर हम यूज करेंगे quotient rule and this is the numerator and log x is the denominator. और quotient rule होता है denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator upon denominator square. So differentiating with respect to x and applying the quotient rule हमें मिलेगा dy by dx is equal to पहले आएगा log x into derivative of 2 raised to x minus फिर आएगा 2 raised to x into derivative of log x divided by log x the whole square. अब हम डेरिवेटिव लेंगे 2 raised to x का यहाँ पर. So this remains as it is, log x as it is. Now we know that derivative of a raised to x होता है a raised to x into log a. तो इसका derivative आएगा 2 raised to x into log 2 minus अब ये 2 raised to x as it is into derivative of log x is 1 by x, the whole thing divided by log of x the whole square. अब ये दो टर्म्स में 2 raised to x ये हमारा कॉमन फैक्टर है, तो न्यूमरेटर में 2 raised to x कॉमन ले लेते हैं, तो ब्रैकेट में आएगा log of x into log of 2 माइनस अब ये तो हमने कॉमन ले लिया, तो जो टर्म रह जाएगा वो है -1 by x, the whole thing divided by log of x the whole square. So this is the value for dy by dx.